Hey guys, it's Alexandra here, and today I'm going to show you how to use eyeshadow to achieve an eyeliner look using the American Woman Beauty First Amendment palette. So to start off this look, I'm taking some Scotch tape, putting it on the back of my hand to remove a lot of the stickiness, and then I'm angling it under my eyes to get that perfect eyeliner shape. I always do this when I'm doing my eyeliner and it never fails me. I highly recommend it, and then I'm just showing you how I evenly place it on either side of my face. For this next step, I'm just showing you that I'm taking some eyeshadow primer and applying it to both of my eyelids, and I'm making sure to spread it evenly all the way across, and this will help our eyeshadow last all day long. For the next step in the tutorial, I'm taking the American Woman Beauty First Amendment palette, and I'm starting off with the black sparkly shade. I'm taking it on a pencil brush, and I'm putting that eyeshadow right up against the very edge of the Scotch tape, because this is going to give me a perfectly straight line for my eyeliner. The Scotch tape acts as a great guide, and I highly recommend doing this. Then I'm taking the purple shade in the palette, and I'm going directly over the black that I already placed down, and I'm using the same pencil brush as I was before. I'm also sweeping the purple shade about halfway across my upper lash line, and I'm just doing that on both sides of my eyes to make sure that they're even and that the eyeliner is really smoked out. So I'm just taking some more of that sparkly black shade, and I'm going over what I just did once again. I did this a lot. I layered the purple over the black and the black over the purple until I got a result in a color that I was happy with. I just really enjoyed mixing the two together. Then I'm just taking some more of that purple shade on my pencil brush, and I'm focusing it on the inner half of my wing. I wanted this to kind of fade from purple to black because I thought it would be a really pretty gradient. In this next clip, you'll see that I have most of my face makeup on, and then I'm just taking that black sparkly shade once again and running it along my lower lash line. And then I'm going in with that purple shade again, and I'm just putting it directly over the black sparkly shade on my lower lash line, and I'm just kind of going back and forth and mixing the two colors together, adding some more black, adding some more purple, until I get a color I'm happy with. And then the final step is going to be going in with that gold sparkly shade, and I'm just going to pop it on the inner corner of my eye to really open up my eyes and add a fun pop of color. And I'm just making sure that I apply as much as possible to really build up the color. Okay guys, this is the completed makeup look in natural lighting. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.